In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Venmo to JotForm. Whether you're setting this up to streamline processing payments or simplify transactions for your business or personal needs, linking Venmo to your JotForm can make everything much smoother and more efficient. So let's get started on this task step by step. First, open JotForm on your computer. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top of the screen where you'll find the tab labeled My Forms. This is where all your existing and new forms are located. Select the form you want to work with and click on Edit Form. This action will take you to the form editor where you can make any necessary modifications. Now that you're in the editing mode, it's time to dive into the payment settings. Look to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a panel, and what we're focusing on is the Add Form Element button. Click on this and a selection of options will appear before you. Here, you'll find a tab dedicated entirely to payments, aptly labeled Payments. Go ahead and click on it to explore your payment options. In the Payments tab, you'll need to identify the Venmo option. You'll look for something known as Venmo Checkout. This option is your ticket to integrating Venmo into your form. Once you've located it, simply drag and drop it into your form where you want the payment option to appear. This intuitive feature makes placing the Venmo payment option incredibly straightforward. The next crucial step is connecting your actual Venmo account to this payment field within your form. Click on the Venmo field that you've just added to your form. You'll notice a prompt that says Connect with Venmo. Clicking this will open a window inviting you to log into your Venmo account. Go ahead and enter your Venmo credentials. This step is essential as it ensures the link is secure and tied directly to your personal or business Venmo account. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option to authorize. By clicking Authorize where it exists, you are giving permission for JotForm to connect with your Venmo account, facilitating transactions directly through your form. This connection helps you manage all payments efficiently without having to navigate away from your form. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked Venmo to JotForm, streamlining your payment process. This integration is sure to make transactions seamlessly straightforward, enhancing the experience for both you and your users. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.